In today's fast-moving energy landscape, unlocking operational efficiency and slashing carbon emissions is mission-critical. Introducing Unify, Enovate AI's smart digital solution that brings live field data, IoT sensors, SCADA systems, and AI together in one unified solution. First, seamlessly connect your operational, sensor, and historical data across wells, assets, and systems into one unified ecosystem. Then, analyze it with AI-driven physics-based models to uncover optimization opportunities, detect anomalies, quantify emissions, and evaluate end-of-life scenarios. Finally, act on automating alerts, supporting plug and abandonment decisions, based on emissions risk, economic viability, and guiding interventions that boost production, reduce downtime, and lower carbon impact. Operators are already seeing real results: 300% production boosts and 70% emissions cuts, significantly improving operational efficiency. It's more than ESG, it's smart ROI. Unlock new revenue via carbon credits, optimize marginal wells, and scale smartly with minimal complexity. Ready to unify data, decarbonize operations, and power measurable impact? Learn more at Enovate AI.